Hey everyone, it's Ashley with Going Crochezy, and today is Vlogmas day number 6. I'm future Ashley right now, just coming on to give you a little intro. So I left off yesterday with making a mermaid, and so now I am going to go back into last night, talking about the mermaid and her hair a little bit, and then we're gonna phase into the rest of the day today and what I've done today. And I just gotta say, it was not a crochet heavy day in the least bit. I had a lot of stuff to do today that took priority, and so you will see that in the clips coming up. But now I am going to see if I can get some crocheting done before it gets too late and I have to push this video out for Vlogmas. So I will hopefully talk to you guys here in a little bit with some progress, and if not, then enjoy what you see here.
All right, guys, I am cutting the hair for the mermaid, which means pretty much a whole skein of yarn is going to be used to cut hair. And I'm using just the worsted weight acrylic yarn for this specific project. The first time I did it, I had used Iron Brand Thick and Quick, and it literally took an entire skein of Thick and Quick yarn, which, I mean, if you've bought that yarn before, you know it's not a cheap yarn to buy, but it made the project, so I was fine with doing it because it made her so beautiful. But this specific project needs red hair, so I had just Red Heart Super Saver red hair, which was the perfect color for the mermaid I'm making. And it also is the best option for my red because the only other reds I have around here available to me would be my Parfait Chunky, which you don't want to make the hair in Parfait Chunky because it's just gonna fray. And so I'm making the hair right now. I have everything else done. I do still need to shape her face, but other than that, I have her bra on, her tail is completely made, her ears have been attached. A lot of little details go into this project. You forget about all the little details until you're like right at the end of the project, and then it feels like you should be done, and then you just keep going and going and going. But I'm gonna go and cut hair for probably the next half an hour. This is how much I have so far. And then I'm gonna add that to her head. I'm not sure if I'm gonna add it tonight or tomorrow morning. It's getting pretty late and I'm getting pretty tired, so I'll probably just cut it tonight and then attach it tomorrow, because that will be another probably half an hour to an hour of work. So I will talk to you guys in a little bit to show you my progress on her hair. So as you can see, it's late at night. The dogs are both passed out, and I have this much hair cut. And here is my mermaid that I'm making. She is large and in charge, and right now she's kind of creepy looking because she has no hair. I feel like she looks like a siren instead of a mermaid, because, you know, mermaids are considered sirens, which are basically evil creatures. And so she kind of looks like that right now without her hair on. So once her hair is on, she will look much better. Here comes my cat to say hi. But I'm going to call it a night. It's late and I need to get some sleep because tomorrow I'm probably going to be shoveling lots and lots of snow. I figured I would show you guys what it looks like outside now versus what it looks like when I wake up in the morning and throughout the day tomorrow, because we are getting a snowstorm. And so I'm going to just do a little quick clip of what it looks like tonight, and then I will see you guys in the morning and we'll see what happens outside. So this is what I am going to bed with. You can still see a little bit of grass. There's some snow, but not a lot. And it's pretty clear out here. So we'll see what it looks like in the morning. So this is the morning. It's 8 a.m. and it's not too bad just yet, but the wind is really strong. So no more grass, but not as much snow as I was expecting, but it's still falling. So we'll see how much more we get. And I shoveled once, and this is the second time I'm going out to shovel.
Oh, it's a lot heavier now, huh, buddy? This is like good. I think it's starting to be snowman snow.
No, it's not.
You don't think so?
It already was.
No, it was too fluffy this morning, but this is fluffier.
No, it was yesterday.
Oh. Much heavier. Jackie, you want to go in? You go in? Go in. Cold. Cold.
Hi. Hi. Hi, Tracker. Go run. Go run. Go run.
Come here.
There he goes. There he is.
Come here.
Hi, Jack.
Come here, Draco.
Hi, Tracker. Get the snow. Get the snow. Get it. Yeah. Good job. Dig, dig, dig. Get the snow. Hey guys, so I finally got my mermaid done. So here she is with her super thick hair, but her head holds up really nice even with that on. I had used Sweet Snuggles Light the first time around with a 5mm hook, and this time I used Bernat blanket and a 4mm hook, and I feel like she is so much stronger in the neck this time through. And I just kind of pulled her front hair back a little bit, and she's got some layers going, and she's ready to go for a little swim now. And so I got this project done. I tell you, it was almost an entire skein of yarn. Look how thick this hair is. And that doesn't even cover all of the hair. But the way it's situated, you can see all the blank spots there. But the way I have it layered on top of each other makes it look like a nice full head of hair when she is just hanging out. And so she is ready to go. She's the only thing I have done crochet-wise today because, as you saw, I had to go snow shovel twice today. It's still snowing out, but it's definitely slowed down a lot since I shoveled last. It doesn't look like it's accumulated too crazy, but I ended up snow shoveling twice today, and then we went and did some sledding. My son and I went and did some sledding down a little hill we have in our yard, and then we came in and I had to do schoolwork with him because it is a snow day and it's a remote snow day. So that means he got sent home with schoolwork yesterday because we knew the storm was coming. And so they gave us work to do today at home. So he had to go do that. And now it is 3 o'clock and I get to chill out a little bit. But I think I might work on a smaller project right now just for the fun of working on something, because I feel like I could crochet right now, but I don't really know what project I want to do. Maybe I'll make a little snake. So we'll see. We'll see if I get a snake done before I have to edit this video to put it out for you guys. So I will talk to you guys in a little bit, and my mermaid says bye. So it's not a full skein, but it's pretty close to a full skein. So I'm going to see how a snake turns out in this pattern. I like the colors. I feel like it's a very good snake color yarn. So I'm gonna make one snake and see what it turns out to look like in the end. And if I like it, I will use all of this to make snakes tonight. I finished my snake and I do like how it turned out. But as I was making the snake, I thought, wouldn't it be a cool color for a spider? And wouldn't you know, I bought a spider pattern on Black Friday. So I think tomorrow I am going to make a spider in this color yarn. So that will be on Vlogmas day number, what are we on, 7 tomorrow? But thank you guys for joining me on Vlogmas day number 6, and I will talk to you guys all tomorrow. Make sure you're liking the videos, commenting down below, and you know, if you haven't subscribed and you've gotten this far into Vlogmas, make sure to give me a subscribe, and I will talk to you guys all tomorrow. Okay.